Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll be presenting our research titled Identifying Factors That Affect Entrepreneurs to Use Data Mining. This work was conducted by Andrew Giovanni Winoto, Edward Matthew Dominica, and Felin Wijaya, under the guidance of our supervisor, Lai Christian. Here are our agenda for today. And let's start by discussing the motivation behind the study. As technology continues to evolve, businesses are facing unprecedented challenges and opportunities. One critical aspect is the ability to process large volume of data efficiently. This is where data mining becomes essential. It allows organizations to extract meaningful insights from data, enabling informed decision, operational efficiency, and a competitive edge in the market. However, despite its benefit, adoption remains limited. Our study aims to uncover the factors that influence entrepreneurs in adopting data mining. This includes understanding what drives them, what barriers exist, and how we can address these challenges to encourage wider usage. For the literature review, to build a strong foundation for our research, we examined two key frameworks. The SEC-TOE framework, which highlights critical factors like compatibility, top management support, and learning culture. These factors positively impact big data adoption. However, barriers like perceived complexity and outsourcing risk create resistance. The TOM framework focuses on how perceived usefulness and ease of use influence adoption. Entrepreneurs are more inclined to adopt tools they find beneficial and easy to use. This framework also incorporates emotional and task-oriented factors, showing that technology adoption is not purely rational but also influenced by psychological elements. By integrating these frameworks, we created a comprehensive perspective on the factors affecting data mining adoption. For the research methodology, our research employed an online survey distributed through Google Forms, targeting entrepreneurial communities across Indonesia. We used snowball sampling, where participants shared the survey within their networks, resulting in over 250 respondents. To analyze the data, we use SmartPLS with PLS SEM, a robust statistical tool for evaluating structural equation models. And our study focused on the following indicators: perceived complexity, perceived compatibility, relative advantage, and etc. These variables help us uncover both the driving force and barriers to data mining adoption. And for the results, our respondents were primarily young entrepreneurs with 35.8% age 18-20 until 22. Nearly half of them operated small business, and the most common industry represented was F&B sector. Geographically, the majority of respondents were based in Jakarta, reflecting a focus on urban entrepreneurship. From our analysis, we identified key factors influencing data mining adoption, where drivers such as compatibility, relative advantage, and strong top management supports emerge as significant enablers. Barriers such as complexity, outsourcing risk, and regulatory concerns hinder adoption. Interestingly, some factors we initially thought would have a higher impact, like security and privacy concerns, played a relatively minor role. This suggests that entrepreneurs are more focused on immediate business benefits and operational challenge than on long-term security risks. And for the conclusion, perceived complexity, top management support, and organizational readiness are crucial drivers. Barriers like outsourcing risk and regulatory challenges need to be concerned. Implications such as business looking to adopt data mining should invest in training and leadership support to ease the transition. Policymakers and consultants can play a role by simplifying regulations and offering guidance to reduce perceived risk. And for the future research, we recommend to expand demographic scope to include diverse industries and geographic regions, incorporate qualitative approach like interviews or case study to capture personal motivation and challenges, and to explore additional variables such as the influence external consultants or market conditions for a more realistic view. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you next time.